New at 5:30, the number for some sexually transmitted diseases are down here in the Baton Rouge area. City parish leaders unveiled new data today showing a decline in the number of HIV and AIDS cases. Fox 44's Crystal Whitman explains what the mayor is doing to try and end this epidemic. Crystal?
Well, that's right, Carly. Today, the mayor announcing that Baton Rouge is now 10th in the nation, but more can be done. Isaac Gilliard has been living with HIV for more than a decade. He remembers hearing the words that changed his life.
I can remember being diagnosed in 2005, how the resources were, and mind you, it was just a few days before Hurricane Katrina, so imagine trying to access care after Katrina.
On Monday, city parish leaders unveiled new data showing HIV and AIDS cases were down over the past year. In 2016, Baton Rouge was ranked #1 in the country for the rate of AIDS diagnosis. Last year, Baton Rouge dropped to 10.
We can begin to see an end to this epidemic. We have to come together to advocate for those affected and to educate people in our community about HIV and AIDS.
Community leaders credit the decline to an increased number of people getting tested and knowing their status.
Getting people connected to services, educating our community, letting them know that this is a disease that we need to make an impact so that we can prevent this spread for the future generation.
And even for those like Gilliard living with HIV, he says the city has come a long way in providing information for risk factors and treatment to patients.
Oh, to be honest with you, I think that we were #1 because of the contributing factors that fuel the HIV epidemic, like stigma. A lot of people think that they, one, cannot contract it, or two, think they're exempt, from contracting it based upon their behaviors, or putting themselves at risk and not even really knowing the risk factors.
Now, the number of people newly diagnosed with HIV in Louisiana declined over 12% in the past 3 years. There are several services provided for prevention and treatment. You can find those details on the free Be Our Proud app. Crystal Whitman, Fox